Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So ayan si Sophia guys, nagdo-drawing kami, ayan. Contest daw to guys, ayan. Ayan si Sophia, winner daw siya, ayan. Ayan, gawa niya yan guys. Ayan, siya gumawa niyan. So ayan. Siya daw always yung winner. So ayan, pagbigyan na lang guys, ayan. Yung anak mong mahilig magdo-drawing. So, ayan. Marami yan, guys. Marami yung mga pinagdo-drawingan doon sa kwarto niya. So, ayan. What are you doing now, love? So, ayan, guys. Detail daw niya yung mga drawing niya. You're making detail.
This is not a contest no more. This is a detail.
Oh, alright. It's not contest na daw, guys. So, ayan si Sophia. She's making drawing, guys. Eto naman, guys. Gawa ko yan. Ayan. Kasi gusto niya yung contest daw kami. So, ayan. Ayan, gawa ko yan, guys. This is mommy. Yep, I know. Ayan, gawa ko yan, guys. So, eto, gawa ni Sophia. Ayan. Kanina pa yan siya, guys, dito. Ayan. Alas 9 na ng gabi. So, ayan. Ang gawa niya yan, guys. Ayan. Very good, love. So, ayan. Ayan, ngayon, dinidetail niya yung drawing niya. Ayan. Para mabisi siya. So, ayan. Ayan. Color niya yan lahat, guys. Ayan. Put this on all here, alright? So that we're not making mess. So, ayan.
Mom, can you put that top on?
Yes, I will. May ubo yan siya, guys. Ayan, yung anak mong energetic. Ayan. Very good, love. Ayan. Pang memories niya yung guys, yung video. Kaya kinukuhaan ko siya ng video. So, ayan. Si Sophia, guys, is 5 years and 4 months. 5 years and 4 months siya. Ayan. Galing yan siya sa school kanina, guys. Tapos may ubo siya. Ewan kung papasok yan siya bukas. Monday ngayon. Bukas Tuesday. So, ewan kung papapasukin namin. So, ayan. Busy siya. Ayan. Gugupit ng mga lalagay niya doon sa pinagdodrawingan niya. So, ayan. This is Sophia artwork, guys. Ayan. Very good, love.
That's me with my friends.
Yep.
That's me with my friend, with my cat.
Yep.
My cat
Your friend. Yep. That's her and her friend daw, guys. So, ayan.
That's me, a mermaid, inside of the sea.
Ay, that's so cute. Making a great job. So, ayan. Marami yan, guys. Marami yan, Sophia. Bukod yung sa mga, sa school niya. Marami yan doon sa isang box nilagay namin. So, ayan.
Why is no tape is coming?
Uh-oh. Okay. What did you do?
I was using tape to make this, but where's the tape gone?
Alright, hold on.
Maybe why